Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to our today's BGS class. Before starting our class, I am showing a picture to you.
What have you seen in this picture? Here we have seen a picture of a front page of a book. The name is গণপ্রজাতন্ত্রী বাংলাদেশের সংবিধান. That means the Constitution of Republic of Bangladesh. Students, you have already knew it. The name of Bangladesh government is the Republic of Bangladesh. So this is the book of the Constitution of Bangladesh.
I hope you already understand what is our today's topic. Yes, students, I am writing in bold. Our today's topic is Constitution of Bangladesh from chapter 7. Now, I have a question. Do you know what is Constitution?
What is Constitution? Constitution is a basic document to run the state. What is in the Constitution? In Constitution, we have got types of government. What type of government is in a state? Is it a Republican government? It's may a constitutional monarchy government? It's may a parliamentary form of government? Any types of government we have knew from the Constitution. The rights of the citizens. What are the rights of citizens that are written in Constitution? Types of power of organs of government. We know every government has 3 organs, but in Constitution, from Constitution we have know what type of power has the any organs of government. That means everything about to run a state we got from the Constitution.
I hope you got a clear concept about Constitution. Now I am going to our Constitution. That means the Constitution of Bangladesh.
Our Constitution has a history to form a final version. Like every state, Bangladesh has a constitution and it has a long history. Let's know the history of making constitution. We know Bangladesh achieved victory on 16 December 1971. After that, the first session of Ganaparishad was held on 10 April 1972. That means after 5 months of our independence. And in this session, a constitution committee was formed for form a constitution, because we know a constitution is mandatory for running a state. Dr. Kamal Hussein was nominated the president of this committee, and this committee presented a draft constitution on 30 October 1972. And the constitution was finally approved on 4 November 1972. We get the Constitution of Bangladesh at 4 November 1972 by the জাতীয় সংসদ. Our constitution has some characteristics. Number 1, People's Republic of Government. This is the name of our government. That means Bangladesh is an independent and sovereign country. Number 2, parliamentary form of government. Here, cabinet system will be in action and Prime Minister is the head of the government. Number 3, our constitution is a written constitution and it has one preamble, 11 parts and 153 articles. Number 4, fundamental principles of the state policy. We already read it, the fundamental state policy. Our state has 4 fundamental policy and in detail this policy are written in the constitution. Number 5, state religion. What will be the state religion? Islam is the state religion of Bangladesh and all other religion also get their right and status. Number 6, nation and nationality. As a nation, we are Bengali, but as a citizen, we are Bangladeshi. Number 7, unitary government. We have know about the unitary government. What is unitary government? All powers are vested on central government and it has no province. Number 8, unicameral legislature. There has been a single chamber of parliament. Single chamber of parliament means it has the unitary government. It has no province and no other parliament. Number 9, fundamental rights. Citizens' rights and their preservation have been ensured here. What are the rights of citizen and how it's preserved? Number 10, sovereignty of the people. All powers of the state belong to the people. Number 11, independence of the judiciary. It has been guaranteed in the constitution that our judiciary is independent. Number 12, universal adult franchise. Anybody who are 18 and above will exercise their voting power. They are adult franchise. Number 13, election procedure. In our country, indirect election is present. If the parliament breaks or abolished, fresh election will have to be arranged within 90 days. Amendment of the Constitution. By the vote of 2/3 majority of the total number of members of the parliament, our constitution can be amendment. Amendment means change the rules of constitution. And our last amendment of constitution of Bangladesh was held at 8th July 2018. It was the 17th amendment of constitution and it held by the 2/3 vote of জাতীয় সংসদ. These all are the characteristics of Constitution of Bangladesh. I hope all are understand it. And now we will summarize our today's topic. Today we have learned Constitution. What is Constitution and history of Constitution of Bangladesh and characteristics of Constitution of Bangladesh. I hope you all are understand clearly. If you have any query, please note it in your copy. And you have already got a worksheet. Please solve the worksheet and check it honestly. Okay. Thank you, students.